Chapter 2, how to remember what you have learned, because I would prefer not to go over the basic steps over and over again, please, thank you. If you want to get down to what learning actually is, it is a cell in your nervous system called a neuron, and information flows from one neuron to another neuron through a synapse. And your brain has a billion of these synapses, so don't worry about it. You're not suddenly going to go, oh, I have 0.1 gigabytes left in my brain. I guess I'm never learning anything again. Bye, everybody. Whenever you are learning something new, your brain creates more synapses, so there really is no limit to how much you can learn. But that said, it is still important that you take rest. You can't cram every single thing into your head immediately, because you need to take some time to memorize and process these things so you actually remember it. Learning is repetition, and relearning the things that are kind of fading away in your head is important, because you need to strengthen these connections in your brain. Your brain is really good at remembering things, but it remembers things based on how important they are. So if you have forgotten something, it's probably because you didn't really have a need for it. One way to approach this with something like drawing is not by tackling everything like anatomy, perspective, and color theory at the same time, because that's just too much. Instead, tackle your biggest flaws right now. That is how you establish the need for learning. And when you read a book for something like anatomy, don't just read from page 1 to the last. Use the pages that you actually have a need for right now, and go back to those pages again when you need to relearn it. But the number one priority that comes to remembering anything is actually sleep.